Video Catalyst claims to be an all-inclusive platform for creating jaw-dropping videos and animations, and in this review we're going to see if that's actually true. Roll the intro. Hey, what's going on guys, Dan Bradley here and welcome over to my Video Catalyst review. Now in this review video I want to share with you guys exactly what this program, what this software is actually all about and why it's a tool you might want to consider adding to your marketing toolbox. Now throughout this review we're going to go ahead and take a look at this software in action, take a look how easy it is to create our own Instagram stories, our Instagram posts and animation videos and all that great stuff that's included inside of this software. Now make sure you stay tuned towards the end of the video because I'm going to be revealing my custom bonuses that I've put together exclusively for those of you who decide to pick this up through the links down below this YouTube video. Now if you're new around here, we do tutorials, giveaways, little BTS behind the scenes videos and even reviews like this. So consider getting subscribed, get that notification bell turned on so that you always know what's hot and what's fresh with internet marketing. Now you're here for Video Catalyst, so let's dive in. Alright, so welcome over to the Video Catalyst membership area and you can see this is a very easy software to follow. Now first thing first, you got the option here of Instagram stories, videos or product demos. Now these are templates that are included. Everything that you're going to see here in this particular demo video here is what you get included on the front end. So if you want additional value, of course there's a funnel, there's always a bloody funnel, but this is what you're seeing here is just what you get on the front end product. So very easily you can start with Instagram stories, videos, demos. So let's go ahead and create our own little Video Catalyst design. So let's go ahead and create one right now.
It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
So I hope you enjoyed that little demo there that we put together for you to show you how easy it is to use Video Catalyst to create your own designs, to create your own Instagram stories and videos and all that great stuff. Now, what I want to show you next is here inside the dashboard, you're going to get access here to your projects, so stuff you've done previously, the library, things you've uploaded, agency if you choose to get the upgrade, and I'll talk to you about all the upgrades in just a minute. Tutorials, so of course you can see how to use this software, and the bonuses. Now, these bonuses are what the vendor has given us basically as affiliates to give to you, and you're going to get all of those bonuses bonuses plus the custom bonuses that I've crafted just for exclusively for my customers, right? Just for you. So the general bonus unit here, there's a lot of them, guys, okay? There's 15 of these bonuses in all, and I'm not going to read through all of these. If you want to, I'll scroll through now. If you want to, you can stop the video and take a look at these, okay? But yeah, I'm not going to read through all of these, but you've got a lot of value there, okay? 15 bonuses in total. Now, in addition to those bonuses there, I've put together a pack, if you like, a bundle of custom bonuses. Now, to see those custom bonuses, you need to use the link down below, and that's going to open up a page that looks like this. This is my Video Catalyst review, and if you scroll on down, you're going to get more information about the product and, of course, those custom bonuses. So, bonus number 1 is a collection of done-for-you Instagram quotes. So these are ready to go out. They are 1080 by 1080, so that is the Instagram size, that square box that you see on Instagram, ready to go. They look awesome, they look great, sexy. Instagram quotes, you can put these out and start sharing them, of course, to get traffic and increase your followers, your likes, all that sort of stuff, and get a bit of engagement on your Instagram profile. So you got 40 of those ready to go straight off the bat. Bonus number 2 is a collection of our 4K stock video. Now, whatever you're doing here, whatever or not you're going to be using this inside of Video Catalyst, where you can import videos, obviously to use with the animations and stuff, then you're going to obviously need stock video, or whether or not you want to actually just create your own video content, for whether that be for YouTube, for your own blogs or business, whatever it is. Stock video is expensive, but necessary. So inside this bonus, you're going to get all of the licensed videos that we have over the last couple of years. We've licensed a lot of videos, and you're going to get access to the farm, as they say. You're going to get access to everything, guys, all right? Bonus number 3 then is the audio and sound effects. Now, of course, you're going to be able to import your own audio into your Video Catalyst productions, into those designs, and I recommend that you do that, particularly for Instagram stories. You're going to get much better results there. You've got animation, and you've got the sound effects and the video, the music. That's going to give you much better results because you're going to stand out, all right? So we're going to give you some sweet tunes, royalty-free, that you're going to be able to use. And finally, bonus 4 is pretty much everything else that you're going to need to get the best results with Video Catalyst. Images, transparent elements, backgrounds, all royalty-free, all licensed, all able to be used in an unlimited number of projects for both you and any clients that you're working with as well. So all of those bonuses here are included in the front end version. Now, of course, there's a funnel, as I mentioned to you, and there's a few upgrades that I would recommend you consider picking up. The first of them is the deluxe version. This is going to give you 100 extra done-for-you templates, 50 fresh templates in every single month. Now, I don't know how long this is going to be for. I don't know if they're going to do this for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, lifetime. It's not going to be lifetime, is it? Let's be honest. So I don't know how long this is going to be there for, but this is their offering at the minute. Upgrade number 2 then is the agency. So you get everything you need basically to sell Video Catalyst agency, right? So you're going to be able to go out there, get businesses, get clients. You get things like done for you emails, email swipes, presentations, a website, all that sort of stuff to attract clients. It's also $67. And the final upgrade 3 is the training bootcamp, also $67. So what I would recommend now would be the deluxe upgrade. I'd recommend the deluxe and possibly the agency if you think you're going to be able to get people into that as well. Okay, so if you have access to clients and that sort of stuff, then maybe consider the agency rights as well. All right, so all of these, to get all of these bonuses and everything here, you need to click on any of these red buttons here, and that will wing you guys over to the sales page where you can see a little bit more information about Video Catalyst and pick this up with all of those bonuses. Now, if you've got any questions at all about this product, feel free to drop it down in the comments down below and we will come and help you guys out as much as possible. But I want to keep this review really quick, really short. We're working on loads of awesome stuff at the minute right behind the scenes, and I'm really looking forward to being able to share that with you guys. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Video Catalyst is a pretty cool software. We're impressed by it. We're going to be using it in our own business, and we suggest you do too. So until the next time, thanks for watching, guys. Get subscribed, like this video, get subscribed, whatever else, bell, everything, get them all on. See you on the next one. Peace.